You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by. I am going to get through this bin, and I'm going to keep passing by this Wheel of Fortune because I want to dig deeper into something that I have not seen in a long time. Years and years. Go way down to the bottom. Let's see. What do we have today? We have the Frogger game. All right, now I'm pretty sure I've done a video of this one, so I will need to double check that, see how long the video is, and then come back and play the game Frogger from Excalibur Electronics. Okay, so I did take a look. 2013, I made a 3-minute, 20-some second video of this handheld game, but I'm going to try to play a little bit longer and see how good I can get at Frogger. Excalibur Electronics Inc. Interesting colors with this bluish and this tannish colors, and there's a tire mark that kind of runs up at the top. One down here over the left, right, up, and down buttons. There's a big white start button, on, off, reset, sound, and pause. Those are all white. And then you've got like some green corners, a green top that makes it look like this is the screen. This is not the screen. You have to press the button and then it flips up. I'm going to have to do some adjusting for us to see in there, but there's a mirror looking up because the actual game, I believe, is up here reflecting down there. And then the back, there's the little sound ports there. It says Excalibur Electronics Inc. And there's two dates, 1981, 2005, Konami, made in China. 2 AAA batteries. Let's get in there. Let's get this off. Let's get the batteries in. I'm going to have to set this up so that you can see it. I went back and did just a quick second of that other video, and it looks like I had a pretty good shot. So we'll see. Go. Okay, let's see if it's even on. It is on right now, so you can't see in there very well. Let me just see. Okay, so maybe I need to get some more light in there. On, off, that works. Okay, turn it back on. Sound off, sound up. Oh, sound on. And then start. Okay, so it is working. So you want to see it better. And I do. I want to play it and show you the game, which I will do. Let me reset here. Ooh, I ran into something already. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Now, this is what it would be if I didn't turn the bright where I normally put it. That's where I normally put it. So I got to kind of turn this up. I'm going to start you off just so you can see the movements of my thumb. Let's hit reset. And then I don't know if you can see it all. See, it's hard to see, but I will turn up the brightness a little, and then maybe if I do that, you can kind of see the numbers down there. Okay, here we go. Start. Level 1, and time is in the bottom right. Okay, so now I got to the top. Now I need to get another one across. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. All right, I got another try. Oh, come on. I thought I timed that one. All right. That wasn't very good. Okay. Now, you have to get them in the spots. I think it tells you the far left one, I think, is next. That's a challenge. Let's try it anyway. So I have to wait till it gets to exactly where I need it to go. Here we go. We're slowly running out of time, I'm sure. I'm going to wait till I get to here. No, oh, come on. All right. Like I said, I haven't played this in a long time. No, did I say that? Since 2013. That's quite a long time. I'm going to wait to get on this platform. Okay, and then there's 2 more on the right to get to. here we go. I could do it. Okay, one more. I gotta get one more. I could do it, I could do it, I could do it. Here we go. If I don't run out of time. Oh, I got hit. Here we go. Ooh, level 1. Alright, so now what I want you to see is me zoomed in a little bit more so you get less of the outer part, more of the screen. Here we go. Let me just zoom it out just a little bit. Oh, that was a bad move. Ah, that was a bad move. All right, game over. So let me start over now. A little bit better now. Hopefully I will play better. Let me turn off these outer lights here. Maybe that... Ooh. Sorry about that. My foot hit it. Maybe that's a little less bright. And then let's see. Zoom in just a little. And then I'll turn up the brightness just a little. See if that's better. Is that better? Hopefully that's better. All right, let's do this again. All right, here we go. Now I want to wait a little bit here and then cross over. Oh no, I was hoping another one would come. All right. You know, just when you think you might be good at something, you're not. And then everything deteriorates. All right, here we go. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. This is the one. This is the big one here. I want to wait now on this. Okay, next one, next one, next one. Here we go. Right across. See that? Zippity-doo, zippity-day. I made it across. But this one I don't want to go to. I want to wait till the last possible second. Now I can cross right here, watch. Okay. And again. Okay. What? Okay, I don't think it's me. What? It's like, it looks like it skips 2 places. Ooh, that was close. Okay, here we go. Okay, one more to cross. I rushed that one. Now I'm rushing. I should get it here, and then here. Next one, across, and up. Okay. Oh, that's my points going up there. Okay, let's do it again. Level 2. Okay. Come on. Got it. Ooh, that was close. Oh, this is not looking good. Got it. Got it. Got it. Oh, come on. Got it. This next one. Got it. All right. I think I'm going to beat level 2. Everything's moving so fast now. This is it. Got it. Woo. Points going up. 3,460. Level 3. Oh, now there's that obstacle going across, so I have to go across sooner now. Oh. That my last guy? That was my last frog. 3,610. I'd say that's pretty good. But I'm sure you would do better, right? Let's see if I can work quicker now. Quick work, short work of this. Okay, start over. Quick work of it, and I crash. That's risky. I know it's risky. What is your technique? Do you have a special technique? I want to know. Are you the Frogger champion? Did I get bonus points with that little extra green thing that was up? There's like a little dot that shows up top. What is that? What? I hit the wrong button. That was my fault. I'm trying to watch the viewfinder, watch to change my angle so I can see. Excuses. Nothing but excuses. Oh no, that was... What? Can I go back down? You can't go back down. I didn't know that. Alright, so I'm not getting any better. I'm actually getting worse. Sometimes that happens. When you're playing a game and you've been playing it for so long, sometimes you just have to step away if you can't get something, and then it's better the next time. If you're trying to do a move that you've just been trying and trying and trying, and then you just get stuck in this pattern, but then you come back an hour later and all of a sudden, boom, you do it the first time. You're like, oh boy. I gotta wait till the end. Ooh, that was risky. But I did it. I did it. Level 2. Now, should you do the far right first or the far left first? That's my question. So if you're a Frogger expert, what's the best path? Oh, I hit the button. It didn't move me over. This is risky. Come on, one more. I'm going to do that one. Oh, that would have been the move. Okay. This one's pretty fun. Right here. Oh no, I missed it. Oh no, what am I doing? Oh, no. Ooh, I had a mind freak out there. Oh, there was something blocking me. I lost a character. I lost one frog. Whatever was up there stopped me from getting that. That's not cool. Gonna get it this time though. Don't show up, and whammy, got it. Okay, level 3. We progress. Everything's faster. The little pads disappear now. Looks like I don't get any extra characters though. That is not fun. Ooh, I got away from that little dragon thing. It's hard to tell what it is. Tell me what it is for those of you that know this game. I'm trying to get away from that thing. The disappearing platforms. What? One more character here. One more frog. Right, this is it. Oh boy. Yes. 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 Okay, I'm getting nervous now. No, I don't want to do it. There's something there. Go away, go away, go away. I gotta go. Killed me. Alright. Well, there you go. Then when you're done, you just turn it off, flip your little screen down, and the game is done. And there you go. That is super bright. Let me turn this down now just a little. My light's back on. I'm going to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun playing the Frogger game. Been using this a lot for these handhelds to keep things in place. It just makes it easier. And then there'll be a playlist in the description and also in the comments section. Please check those out. I would greatly appreciate it. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave!
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up!